IE's advanced no-lift shift tuning is now available for select Volkswagen and Audi manual transmission vehicles. What is no-lift shift? Let's jump in, I'll show you. With no lift shift enabled, instead of letting off between shifts, you're going to keep the throttle pinned. The tune's going to temporarily cut torque and allow you to maintain boost between gear shifts. And if you nail it perfectly, you'll get lightning fast shifts and harder acceleration when every fraction of a second matters. Nice. And if that isn't cool enough, no lift shift is fully adjustable through the PowerLink mobile app. You can turn it on or off at any time and even adjust the shift cut duration directly from your phone without reflashing the vehicle at all. Before using no lift shift, open the PowerLink app, navigate to the responsiveness menu, and toggle no lift shift to on. Once it's enabled, the settings are stored directly on the ECU, so you only need to adjust them again if you want to further refine the settings. Now let's talk about how to use it. To activate no lift shift, the vehicle must already be moving and you need to be at 100% throttle. On vehicles equipped with a kickdown switch, the accelerator pedal must fully depress the switch for it to activate no lift shift. On vehicles not equipped with a kickdown switch, the throttle pedal must exceed 98.5% to activate no lift shift. Either way, just keep it pinned. Once those conditions are met, press the clutch, execute your shift, and release the clutch as quickly as possible. During the shift, our software temporarily cuts the torque so that you can engage the next gear as easily as possible. When done correctly, the torque resumes right as the drivetrain re-engages, creating an incredibly fast and seamless shift. If you're new to no lift shift, don't worry about it. This is an advanced motorsport feature and it's going to take some practice to master it. And that's why IE gives you full control over the duration timer directly from your PowerLink app. The duration slider allows you to control how long the torque stays cut during the shift. You can adjust this anywhere from 900 milliseconds all the way down to 200 milliseconds. This allows you to refine the cutoff time depending on your driving style or shift speed. If you're just getting started, start at 900 milliseconds and work your way down as your shifts become quicker and more consistent. Remember, the goal of no lift shift is simple. Resume power as soon as possible while keeping the shift smooth, controlled, and fast. So go make sure to update your mobile app if you have a Mark 7, Mark 8, or B9 2-liter. This feature is going to be available for all Stage 1, Stage 2, and Stage 3 vehicles with the purchase of the Apex Tuning Suite. Now go experiment with shift cut duration, try to cut a few thousandths off your quarter mile time, and have some fun.